Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In the previous video we learnt about the sector and to find out the area of a sector. In this video we will learn about a segment of a circle. What are the types of the segments of circle and how to find out its area. What is the segment of a circle? See here, suppose we draw a circle here and we draw a chord AB in this. Then this part which is bounded between the chord and the corresponding arc is known as a segment. So we can define the segment, the region of a circle bounded by a chord and the corresponding arc is known as the segment of the circle. Like here in the figure, we find APB is a segment. Another segment is this upper part. Also we can define it as a chord divides a circle in two parts. Each part is known as the segment of a circle. We can also understand it like this. Suppose this is a sector. OAPB is a sector of the circle. And we join the parts of the arc that forms a chord. Then this part APB is the segment. So this is also one of the part of the sector. And theta is the angle of the sector here. What are the types of the segments? Actually we have two types of segments like the sectors. One is minor segment, another is major segment. What is a minor segment? A minor segment is actually the smaller segment of circle is known as the minor segment. Here we can also understand like this: if theta, the angle of sector, is less than 180 degree, then the segment is minor segment. Like APB, here is the minor segment. Another one is major segment. The major segment is the larger one. The larger segment is known as the major segment. Here we find this is a reflex angle, or we can say the angle is between 180 and 360. Here in this particular figure we find AQB is the major segment. Now let's learn how to find out the area of the segment. First we learn about the area of a minor segment. When you want to find out the area of a minor segment here, we can see that area of minor segment, suppose this is APB, we want to find. That can be taken as area of sector, this area of sector, minus area of triangle OAB or not. Before going to apply here, we should know how to find out the area of this triangle OAB when the angle O is given as theta. This is the area of the sector. To find the area of triangle OAB, we know that this area is given by half into base into altitude or not. Here we find this is base is AB, but we are taking OA as the base because OA is the radius, OB is also the radius. If we take OA as the base, then the corresponding altitude will be BD or not? Yes, it is BD. Now how to find out the value of BD? That we have to learn. OA is R. To find out BD in triangle ODB, we apply trigonometry. And about the trigonometrical ratios, we have learned in the videos for full course of trigonometry. Here if we see in this, what is sine theta? Sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular here is BD. And the hypotenuse is OB. Can we find from this that BD is equal to OB into sine theta or not? And OB is R, so this is R sine theta. We can apply the value of BD here as R sine theta. So the area of this triangle becomes half into r square into sine theta. And if we apply this value in this, we can find out therefore area of minor segment APB will be equal to area of sector minus area of triangle OAB. Area of sector we learned in the previous video. That is given as pi r square into theta upon 360. Minus area of triangle we learned here half into r square into sine theta. This becomes the formula to find out the area of the minor sector. If we take r square as common, this will be pi into theta upon 360 minus half into sine theta. So we can apply the formula to find out the area of minor sector. Here this is r square into pi into theta upon 360 minus half into sine theta. So we can apply the formula of finding the area of minor sector as r square into pi into theta upon 360 minus half into sine theta. Here we have to remember one thing, that the students of 10th class know only the values of all the trigonometrical ratios for the angles less than 90 degree. If the angle theta is greater than 90 degree and it is less than 180 degree, then the value of sine theta will be same as the value of sine of 180 minus theta. They should know. The students of 11th and 12th, they know how to find out this and why it is. For example, suppose we have theta is 150 degree and we want to find the value of sine 150 degree. This will be same as the value of sine of 180 minus 150, or we can say sine of 30 degree, and we know the value of sine 30 is 1 by 2. And likewise you can find out the values of sine theta if theta is between 90 and 180 degree, or it is an obtuse angle. Now, how to find out the area of major segment? Suppose you want to find out the area of major segment AQB. Can we say that this will be area of circle minus area of minor segment or not? The area of circle is pi r square we know. And the area of minor segment, that is r square into pi into theta upon 360 minus half into sine theta. So the best way to find out the area of the major segment is that we find the area of the minor segment and subtract that from the area of the circle. Now we'll discuss one of the example based on finding the area of segment of a circle. The example here is, find the area of the minor segment of a circle of radius 14 centimeter if the length of the corresponding arc is 22 centimeter. To find the area of the minor segment, we know that we need the angle of sector, that theta. Theta is not given here. Here for the solution, what we find, we have been given the length of arc L, that is 22 centimeter. And the radius r has been given as 14 centimeter. We know the formula to find out L, that is 2 pi r into theta upon 360. If we apply this particular formula, the values of L, 22 centimeter, is equal to 2 into 22 by 7, r is 14 into theta is, we have to find out, upon 360. 7 cancels this twice. And we can find here the value of theta will be 22 into 360 upon 2 into 22 into 2. Cancellation. 22 cancels this 22. 2 cancels this 180 times. and 2 cancel this as 90. It means the value of theta is coming as 90 degree. Now we can find out the area of the minor segment. So we write area of minor segment is equal to, we apply the formula, that is r square into pi into theta upon 360 minus half into sine theta. Applying the values, we are getting here r square means 14 square, pi 22 by 7, theta 90 upon 360 minus half into sine 90 because theta is 90. Simplifying this, we get 196 square of 14 into 22 by 7 into 90 cancel this 4 times, this is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into 1 because sine 90 is 1. Simplifying this, we get 196 into 2 cancels this and this here 11. So this is 11 upon 14 minus 1 by 2. Taking the LCM and simplifying, we get 196 into 14 is the LCM. So 14 is the LCM here and we get here 11 minus 7. And this gives us 196 into 4 upon 14. 14 cancel this 14 times and 14 into 4 is 56. So 56 centimeter square is the area of the minor segment. So in this video we have learnt about the segment and its area. In the next video we will learn about the perimeters and areas of the combined figures involving sectors and segments of a circle. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any comments or doubts, leave them in the comment box and I will get back to you.